2019 Acura oil change. First and foremost, you're going to take this off. Phillips head, Phillips head, Phillips head, Phillips head. And then 4 flatheads. Flathead, 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 flathead. Then slide that forward. Obviously, it'll come off these clips. Sorry, off of these clips and these clips. And then you'll be able to access the Honda 17mm bolt and the oil filter. Always using that good full synthetic OW20 filter number. ILX if that matters. Oil change. Show you a reset in 3 seconds. 2019 Acura ILX oil leak reset after the oil change. So you're going to come down here and you're just going to literally go till it says vehicle settings with this button. Vehicle settings, hit the middle button. Driver's assist, no, hit up until you get maintenance info, hit the button again, and then go up to reset and hold it and reset complete. Boom. All that is, all done. Have a nice one.